My puzzle consists of 7 pieces. Start with the head and the torso. Slide the nose/tail of this flying pig through the center of those 2 pieces. Just give it a nice pig face. Then on the back, take the wings, which have a notch that slides into there and holds all of this in place.
See you later.
See it.
I'll be back. Sorry, you
Take the abdomen, yeah. Slide that on. Fits perfectly around the wings. Take the butt of the pig with its back legs. Slide that on so you have the full body. And this small little round piece slides right onto the tail to hold the whole thing together. So that you have a little flying pig.